Experiencing a Wi-Fi connected but no internet issue on your Meta Quest 3 can be extremely frustrating. You can see your headset is connected to Wi-Fi, but you cannot download games, access social features, or even use the store. As of August 2025, this issue continues to affect many users despite recent firmware updates. The headset shows it is connected to Wi-Fi, but internet services remain inaccessible. The problem often stems from 5 main root causes: DNS resolution failures, where your headset cannot translate web addresses, IPv6 and IPv4 protocol conflicts, router incompatibility issues, firewall restrictions blocking meta services, or bandwidth throttling limiting VR traffic. Start with a simple network reset sequence. First, power cycle your Quest 3 completely by holding the power button. Next, restart your router and modem, waiting 30 seconds between each device restart. Then forget the Wi-Fi network in your Quest 3 settings, and finally, reconnect to the network. Next, configure your router's DNS settings. Change to either Google's DNS servers at 8.8.8.8 and 884.4, or use Cloudflare's DNS at 1.1.1.1. This resolves domain name resolution issues that prevent internet access. Finally, optimize your network protocols. If you have a mixed IPv6 and IPv4 environment, try disabling IPv6 on your router to eliminate protocol conflicts. Also ensure that UPnP, or Universal Plug and Play, is enabled in your router settings to allow proper device communication. These immediate troubleshooting steps successfully resolve the Wi-Fi connected but no internet issue for 70 to 80% of Meta Quest 3 users. By following this systematic approach, you can quickly restore internet connectivity to your headset. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your Meta Quest 3 connectivity issues, advanced network configuration becomes necessary. The first step is ensuring proper port access for Meta's services. Meta Quest 3 requires specific TCP ports to be open: port 80 for HTTP traffic, 443 for HTTPS, and ports 5222, 5228, and 5242 for Meta's proprietary services and real-time communication. UDP ports are equally important for real-time gaming performance. Port 53 handles DNS lookups, port 88 manages network time synchronization, and the range 3478 to 3497 handles voice chat and multiplayer gaming data. Firewall configuration is critical for Quest 3 connectivity. You need to whitelist specific meta domains and configure outbound rules to allow the headset to communicate with Meta's servers. Whitelist these essential meta domains in your firewall: all Oculus domains, Facebook domains for social features, and the new meta domains for updated services. This ensures the Quest 3 can access all necessary online features. SIP ALG, or Session Initiation Protocol Application Layer Gateway, can interfere with VR network traffic. This router feature is designed for VoIP phones, but often causes problems with gaming devices like the Quest 3. Access your router's advanced settings and locate the ALG configuration section. Disable SIP ALG specifically, as it can block or modify VR network packets, causing connection instability and performance issues. As a last resort, you can configure a DMZ, or demilitarized zone, for your Quest 3. This places the device outside your network's firewall protection, giving it unrestricted internet access. Prevention is better than troubleshooting. Invest in a quality Wi-Fi 6 router with VR optimization features. Modern routers like this Synology model offer advanced QoS settings and dedicated gaming modes that prioritize VR traffic. Router placement is crucial for optimal VR performance. Position your router centrally, away from interference sources like microwaves and baby monitors. Elevate it for better signal propagation and ensure adequate ventilation. Regular network monitoring helps prevent connectivity issues before they occur. Use network performance dashboards to track key metrics like latency, bandwidth utilization, and connection stability over time. Maintain your network proactively by updating router firmware monthly, monitoring bandwidth usage, and scheduling regular performance checks. Understanding the difference between Wi-Fi connection and internet access helps you diagnose issues more effectively.